What is up? Today I'm going to talk about how I got a free level 2 home charger for my Tesla Model 3 in a very kind of roundabout way. And I know what you're thinking. Free? What, does it look good? No, it's actually very ugly. It kind of looks terrible on my terrible deck. But is it fast? No, it is not very fast. It's 3 times faster, or almost 4 times faster than a 110 outlet. Listen, if you want a very pretty home charger for your very pretty house that will charge it 7 kilowatts, then this isn't the video for you. If you're a guy like me that bought a used Model 3 and wanted a way to add range at home at night for cheap while he slept, then continue watching and I'll walk you through what I did. So first step was to take the 110 charger that came with the car and sell it on eBay for $200. Ka-ching. Step 2, find a used Schumacher portable EV charger on eBay for $70. This company's been around for a long time. You can also buy them on Amazon, brand new still. Check the used tab for good deals. I got mine on eBay for $70. You can still get them on eBay used for less than $100 for the most part. And like I said, one of the reasons I really like this brand is because they've been around for a long time. This battery trickle charger is just an example. I mean, this thing is older than me. It was liberated years ago from my dad's garage. It still works wonderfully. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the panel and the installation on this. There's plenty of videos on YouTube already. They'll show you how to add a 240 outlet to a box. Just make sure that your box is newer. Make sure that it can support extra 240 circuit. And I have a list of all the parts I used in the description of the video. You can see that I ran it against the wall. I used a whip kit, which is actually for outdoor use, but I just wanted to be more safe than sorry with this installation. I also put the outlet up as high as it could possibly go, just in case the basement flooded. So the plug in the basement is ran out the back of my house to a welding extension cord. Link is in the description. Ran to the charger that's hanging on the back of my super ugly back deck that needs to be torn down. And we're charging at 3 kilowatts. Depending on the voltage, it'll fluctuate between 3 or 4. It's typically right around 3.7 kilowatts. Not too bad. Now the charger comes with a 110 adapter. You can run that welding extension cord to the charger, then to the 110 adapter, so you can charge from pretty far away, 1 kilowatt, but low juice is better than no juice, am I right? And as far as the durability of this thing, this is a picture I took this winter in beautiful Buffalo, New York, of the charger completely covered in snow. You can see it lit up right under that big snow pile. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Down the road, I'll probably pony up and buy an actual Tesla home charger. But for now, it works great. My work commute is about 15 miles round trip every day, and I don't have to plug it in every night. I used to plug it in every night when I was just charging on 110. But let me know what you think. Are you going to do it? If you are, click the link in the description for all the parts I used. Thanks for watching.